Welcome viewers to the siliconboard.com. Now, as you guys know that I am building AWS series. So in the last AWS series video, I am what is I shall I shall show you how you can create users, and I shall show you how you can connect a new user with the AWS account. Okay. So this is your AWS login page. So when you will first start your AWS page using your credit card, you will get this page, and obviously you will log in using your root account. And it is always advisable that not to use your root account for your day-to-day AWS task. This means actually the problem is that if you use your AWS root account, then you might delete something and which you cannot recover. So always create a derived account that will have some other username, and use that account to do all your AWS tasks. So that the basic concept is that you will come first, you will open your root account, you will give some permissions to that specific account which you have created. Then you will use that account to do your work. So this is your AWS IAM page, and when you will click on IAM over here, or you can directly type IAM in the search text box. You just type IAM, and you will get this IAM option over here. Click it, and it will take you to the IAM page. Now, from here onwards, you will get some options. Let me minimize this window. Okay. Now, at the left-hand side, this side, you will get under the access management, you will get user groups, users, roles, policies. I will create all this topic one by one in my upcoming videos. Now, in this video, I shall focus on users. Okay. So this user is very much similar if you are familiar with Linux machines. There is an root user, then root user gives permission, or using root user you can create multiple users. So this is the very same concept is applied over here. So if you click on users, you will get the users page. Okay. Now I already have one user that is called dev Pallab. So whatever task I do inside AWS, I use dev user. I don't use the root user. That is Pallab AWS. Okay. So to demonstrate, first I shall create one user for you guys. So click on the create user. That is, you will get that option in the right hand side of the page. Click over here. Then you will get this page, and here it will ask you for some informations. So first information, it will ask you that what is the username that you want to give. So you can give any username, but try to be sensible with the usernames. So as this user would be doing some development kind of task, then start with dev. So I will write, let's say, dev user 1. Okay. Now it is good that if you click on this checkbox, and it will ask you some more informations, auto generated password, or you want to give your own password. So I would like to have my own password. So I have given dev user. So let's say I will give password, let's say user @1. No, I will type it once more. User user @12345. Okay. So password user @12345. I think it is still not 8 character long. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah. Okay. It's 8 character long, and it has all the required characters. Okay. User must create new password in the next sign in. This means whenever you will log in using this user, so you need to reset this password. Do you want that? So in my case, I don't want. I would like to keep this password as it is. Okay. Now once you uncheck it, it will take you to the next page. Okay. Now it will ask you some permissions, but for now, leave it as it is. So just go to next and set permission boundary. Don't touch anything else. Next. Okay. Do you want to have any tags? No. Okay. Now, yes, this is a very important page. So this is your username, this is your console URL, and this is your password. Okay, password is not shown over here. So the the most important thing when you are creating a user is that it will say that download the CSV file. Okay, and always keep this CSV file handy when you are creating some user. So download the CSV file. Okay, now CSV file has been downloaded. So the CSV file name is what? Dev user underscore credentials.csv. Okay, so your user has been created. Now you can close this AWS page, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will keep and open this folder. Let's see where it got opened. Yep. Okay. Now inside my download folder, if I open this, let's say I open using text edit. I will bring that screen into your. Okay. So when I open this, I think it is not visible. Yes. So this is my username. This is the password, and this is the console login ID. And one more thing it will ask, that is this 12-digit account number. Now this 12-digit account number you will get from the root account. Okay, from the root account, the thing that the part of the text that is being blurred, that is your 12-digit account number. Okay, so once you got this, now go to your any browser. Let's say I opened Firefox and I went to AWS page. Okay, now sign in console. Okay, let it open. Okay, so this is my account number. So you will have similar 12-digit account number. So this is my account number. So now what I will do, so this is my account number. Now here you will give the username, that IAM username. Now which is the IAM username? The IAM username is this one, dev underscore user. So copy this, come to your Firefox page, come over here and paste it. And what is the password? Password also you will get in the text file. This is the password, user @12345. Copy it, come here and paste it. Okay, now once you give this username and password, then you click on sign in. So when you click on sign in, it will take you to the AWS page. Okay, so sign in. Not now. And you can see your new AWS user has been created. This is dev user. This is the account ID. And for now, you haven't used any services, so it is not showing any recent uses. So no recently visited services. So this is how you can create AWS users. So now, if you come here and let's say open S3. Let's say I have opened S3 bucket. Click on S3. Okay. Buckets. So there is no new bucket. My account name is dev user. So dev user temp bucket. Okay. I will do nothing. Then I will just try to must not contain any. Okay, it should not contain any. So at the beginning, if you don't have any permissions, it will not allow to create a bucket. This means what? When you have created one new user, that new user doesn't have any authority to create any S3 bucket. So that's why it is saying to create bucket, S3 create bucket permission is required. Okay, so that permission is not there. Now if you carefully read what is this API response is saying, that user ARN AWS IAM this user. Now what is this user? That is dev underscore user is not authorized. Means that dev underscore user don't have any permissions to create a bucket. So create bucket action he can't do. On which resource? On this resource. Because no identity based policy allows the S3 create bucket action. Basically, it means that the new user that has been created just now, it doesn't have any permissions. So now I shall take you to the policy page where we will learn how to create policy and how this user can create a bucket. So let's meet in the next video.